Hello everyone. Good afternoon students. In the previous class we have discussed about divide and check your answers. In that we have solved two problems. Take the next problem, third one, that is exercise 3B. In that first make divide and check your answers. In the third problem, 30,045 divided by 25. 30,045 divided by 25. First, write down the tables on the right side of your page or in the working column. 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50, 25 threes are 75, 25 fours are 100, 25 fives are 125, 25 sixes are 150, 25 sevens are 175, 25 eights are 200, 25 nines are 225, 25 tens are 250. First write down the table on the right side of your page. Now divide this 3045 with 25. Here what? 25 is what? This 25 is the divisor and 30,045 is the dividend. Now divide here 25 ones are 25. It is not possible to subtract 5 from 0. You should take borrow from the neighbor number. Borrow means 10. Now 10 minus 5, 5. 2 minus 2 is 0. Take the next digit to the down. That is 50. 25 twos are 50. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. Again take the next digit to the down. That is 4. After taking the next digit to the down, now it is 4. 25. Whether 4 is there in the 25 answer table? No. This 4 is less than the 25. At that time, you should write it as a 4 does not goes. 4 doesn't come in the 25 table. So does not go 0. Take one more digit now itself. That is 45. 25 ones are 25. Now 5 minus 5, 0. 4 minus 2, 2. Here this 20, that is after division we will get the answer. That is what? Remainder. And this is what? Quotient. And this is divisor. And this is what? Dividend. Now we can check this division using the formula divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to what? Dividend. Check it. Check. Divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to what? Dividend. See here in this problem the divisor is 25 and the quotient is 1201. Multiply this divisor into quotient, then add the answer should be added with the remainder. If we will get the 30,045, then our division will be true, otherwise it will be wrong. Now check it. Divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. Here the divisor is 25 multiplied by 1201 plus remainder is 20. Remainder is 20. Multiply 1201 with 25. 1201 when it is multiplied with 25. 5 ones are 5. 5 zeros are 0. 5 twos are 10. Carry 1. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Now 2 ones are 2. 2 zeros are 0. 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2. Here we should give the blank space. Now add both the numbers. 5, 2, 0, 6 plus 4, 10, carry 1, 2 plus 1, 3. That is, we will get the answer as 30,025. See, after multiplying the divisor into quotient, the product is 30,025. Write down here. It implies that 30,025 plus 20. Now add this 30,025 plus 20. Add it. 30,025 plus 20. 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 2, 4. 0, 0, 3. 30,045. 30,045. Which is equal to what? Dividend. Now, after calculating the divisor into quotient plus remainder, we will get 30,045. This is what? Dividend. So, our division will be correct. See, copy it in your classbook neatly. Now, I will erase this. Move to the next problem. Take down the next problem. Fourth one. Fourth problem. That is 49,903 divided by 72. 49,903 divided by 72. 49,903. Now write down the 72 on the table. 72 ones are 72. 72 twos are 104. 144. 72 threes are 216. 72 threes, fours are 288. 72 fives are 360. 72 six are 432. 72 sevens are 504. 72 eights are 576. 72 nines are 648. And 72 tens are 720. See, if you write the tables on the right side of your page, then you can easily divide. So it is not easy to write the 72 ones are table. At that time you should multiply it and write down. 72 multiplied 1, you will get the 72. 72 multiplied with 2, then we will get the 104. Like that you should multiply and write down the tables first, then you should solve it. Now 72, this divisor is 2 digits. Take the first 2 digits. If we take the 2 digits, it is less than the divisor. So at that time you should take the 3 digits at the time. That is 3 digits, 499. Now see, 499 is there here. Less than 499 is 432. 72 6 are 432. Subtracting 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 3, 6. 4 minus 4, 0. Take the next digit to the down, that is 0. 670. 670 less than that is 648. 72 nines are 648. It is not possible to subtract 8 from 0. You should take borrow from the neighbor number. Borrow means 10. 10 minus 8, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. 6 minus 6, 0. Take one more digit. The next digit is 3. To the down now, 3. 223. Less than that is 216. 72 3s are 216. Again, it is not possible to subtract the 6 from the 3. So, if you take the borrow from the neighbor number, borrow means 10. Now, 10 plus 3 is what? 13. 13 minus 6 is how much? 7. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Now, this is what? Quotient. This is divisor. After multiplication, what will get the answer? This is what? Remainder. And this is what? Dividend. Dividend. Now we can check our division with divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to what? Dividend. By using this formula, check the division. Check it. This is divisor when it is multiplied with quotient plus remainder is equal to what? Dividend. Is equal to what? Dividend. Now by using this divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend, we should check our division. See, check Here divisor is what? 72 when it is multiplied with a quotient 693 plus remainder is how much? 7. Plus remainder is what? 7. Now multiply this 693 with 72. 693 multiplied with 72. 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18, carry 1, 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 1, 13. Now leave the blank space here, it is for 2-digit multiplication. 7 3s are 21, carry 2, 7 9s are 63, plus 2 65, again carry 6, 7 6 are 42, 42 plus 6, 48. 6 plus 0, 6, 8 plus 1, 9, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, now it is 4. 49,896. Now we will get, after multiplying this quotient into this divisor, we will get the product as a 49,876 plus the remainder is what? 7. Now add this product with 7. 49,896 plus 7. See, 6 plus 7, 13, carry 1, 9 plus 1, 10, carry 1, 8 plus 1, 9, 9, 4. 49,903. So, which is equal to what? Dividend. So, by using this, we can say that our division will be correct. That is 49,903, which is equal to dividend. The next problem is fifth one. Next fifth one, 86,243 divided by 9. 86,243 divided by 9. Write down the tables on the right side of your page. Write on the table on the right side of your page. 9, 8. Now 86 stuck it. This one single digit is less than the divisor, so you should take the 2 digits at a time. 86 here. 9 8s are 70. 9 8s are 72. 6 minus 2, 4. 8 minus 1, 7. Sorry. 86,243 and 81 is there. So 9 9s are 81. 6 minus 1, 5. 8 minus 8, 0. Take the next digit to the down. That is 52. 54 less than that is how much? 45. 9 5s are 45. Subtract it. You should take borrow. Borrow means 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. 4 minus 4 is 0. Take down the next digit, that is 4. To the down, 74. Again, 9 8s are 72. 4 minus 2, 2. 7 minus. Again, one more. The next digit is what? 3. 23. So again, 9 2s are 18. 13. Here 1. 13 minus 8 is how much? 5. 1 minus 1, 0. Here this is what? Quotient. This is dividend. And this is divisor. And this is the remainder. Now we can check our division by using the same formula. Divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to what? Dividend. Here the divisor is how much? 9 multiplied with quotient is 9582 plus the remainder is 5, which implies that multiply this quotient with the divisor 9582 multiplied with 9 2s are 18, carry 1, 9 8s are 72 plus 1 73, carry 7, 9 5s are 45, 45 plus 7 52, carry 5, 9 9s are 81, 81 plus 5 86. See, after multiplying the divisor into quotient, we will get the product has 86,238. Write down 86,238 plus 5. Now add this product with the what? Remainder. Your remainder is how much? 5. 86,238 plus 5. 8 plus 5, 13. Carry 1. 3 plus 1, 4. This is 2, 6, 8. This is 86,243. 86,243, which is equal to what? Dividend. Dividend. I hope you understood. If you have any queries, you can ask me. Every Monday I will take online classes. In online classes you can ask me the doubt or you can call to my number also. Take down the homework. Today homework. Today's homework. Maths homework. Divide and check your answer. Heading is divide and check your divide and check your answer in that first problem. 53,960 divided by 7, and the second one is 19,498 divided by 8. See, if you learn the tables perfectly, then you can easily learn the multiplication and easily you can learn the division also. So, learn the tables properly till 20, then it is easy to multiply, it is easy to divide also. Thank you everyone.